Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, where learning German is as fun as a playground adventure. Are you ready to dive into the basics of this amazing language? Whether you're a complete beginner, a parent teaching your little one, or just curious about German culture, today's video is your perfect starting point. Imagine this. You're a wide-eyed kid sitting in a cozy classroom with your favorite teacher exploring the German alphabet from A to Z and counting all the way to 100. Sounds exciting, right? That's exactly what we're doing today. We'll turn learning into a playful conversation with fun examples like Apfel for apple and Elefant for elephant. No boring lectures here, just laughs, repeats, and easy-to-remember tips that stick. In just a few minutes, you'll be pronouncing German letters like pro and counting in German faster than you can say Eins, zwei, drei. Stick around, because by the end, you'll have the tools to practice on your own or with your family. And hey, if you're loving this, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. We've got more German adventures coming your way. From greetings to everyday phrases.
Hello, little friend. My name is Teacher Anna. What's your name? In German, hello means hallo. Kleiner Freund means little friend. Mein Name ist means my name is. Wie heißt du means what's your name?
Hi, I'm Alex. I'm ready to learn German.
Great. Today we're going on a German adventure. We'll start with the alphabet from A to Z. In German, it's called das Alphabet. Das Alphabet means the alphabet. It's like the English one, but some letters sound different. Let's say each letter in German, repeat after me, and I'll give fun examples. Ready? Los geht's.
Yes, los geht's.
First letter, ah. In German, it's pronounced ah, like in the father. Example, Apfel. Apfel means apple. Imagine biting a juicy apple. Say it. Ah wie Apfel. Wie means like or as in.
Ah wie Apfel. Yum, apple.
Next, B, pronounced bay. Example, Ball. Ball means ball. Bounce it. B wie Ball.
B wie ball. Bounce, bounce.
C, pronounced say. Not used much alone, but example, clown. Clown means clown. Funny face. C wie clown.
C wie clown. Haha.
D, day. Example, Dach. Dach means roof, like on a house. D wie Dach.
D wie Dach.
E, A. Example, Elefant. Elefant means elephant. Big ears. A wie Elefant.
E wie Elefant. Trumpet sound.
F. F. Example, fish. Fish means fish. Swim, swim. F wie fish.
F wie fish. Glub, glub.
G. Gay. Example, Garten. Garten means garden. Flowers everywhere. G wie Garten.
G wie Garten. Pretty.
H. Ha. Example, house. House means house, where you live. H wie house.
H wie house. Home sweet home.
I. E. Example, eagle. Eagle means hedgehog. Spiky. E wie eagle.
E wie eagle. Ouch.
J. Yacht. Example, Junge. Junge means boy. Like you if you're a boy. J V Junge.
J V Junge. That's me.
K Ka. Example, Katze. Katze means cat. Meow. K V Katze.
K wie Katze. Meow.
L L. Example, Lampe. Lampe means lamp. Lights up. L V Lampe.
L wie Lampe.
M M. Example, Mond. Mond means moon. In the sky at night. M V Mond.
M wie Moon. Shiny.
N N. Example, Nase. Nase means nose. Sniff, sniff. N wie Nase.
N wie Nase. Sniff, sniff.
O O. Example, Obst. Obst means fruit. Yummy. O wie Obst.
O wie Obst. Tasty.
P Pay. Example, Pferd. Pferd means horse. Neigh. P wie Pferd.
P wie Pferd. Neigh.
Q Kuh. Rare, but example, Quelle. Quelle means source or spring. Water. Q wie Quelle.
Q wie Quelle. Splash.
R Rolled R. Example, Rad. Rad means wheel or bike. Roll it. R wie Rad.
R wie Rad. Room.
S Example, Sonne. Sonne means sun. Warm. S wie Sonne.
S wie Sonne. Hot.
T Tay. Example, Tisch. Tisch means table. Eat on it. T wie Tisch.
T wie Tisch. Dinner time.
Ooh. Example, Uhr. Uhr means clock. Tick-tock. U wie Uhr.
U wie Uhr. Time.
V. Thou. Example, Vogel. Vogel means bird. Tweet. V wie Vogel.
V wie Vogel. Fly.
W. They. Example, Wasser. Wasser means water. Drink. W wie Wasser.
W wie Wasser. Glug glug.
X. Example, xylophone. Xylophone means xylophone. Music. X wie xylophone.
X wie Xylophone. Ding ding.
Y. Ypsilon. Example, yoga. Yoga means yoga. Stretch. Y wie yoga.
Y wie Yoga. Relax.
Z. Set. Example, Zoo. Zoo means zoo. Animals. Z wie Zoo.
Z wie Zoo. Roar.
Wow, you did great! Now let's say the whole alphabet together fast. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. in German sounds a, b, c, d, e, f, g, h, I, j, k, l, m, n, o, p, q, r, s, t, u, v, v, x, upsilon, z. Let's practice with me. Ready?
Ready.
A,
Ah.
b,
Bay.
c,
Say.
d,
Day.
a,
A.
f,
F.
g,
Gay.
h,
Ha.
I,
E.
yacht,
Yacht.
ka,
Ka.
l,
L.
m,
M.
n,
N.
o,
O.
pay,
Pay.
q,
Q.
air,
Air.
s,
S.
te,
Tay.
u,
U.
fow,
Fow.
they,
They.
x,
Ix.
upsilon,
Upsilon.
set.
Set.
Great job! You've learned all the letters.
Yay! Dunk it, teacher. Yay, I know the alphabet now.
Super. Super means super or great.
Now, on to numbers. In German, numbers are Zahlen. Zahlen means numbers. We'll learn from 1 to 100. Start with 1 to 10. Repeat after me and we'll count imaginary apples.
Okay, apples sound fun.
1. Eins. Eins means 1, like 1 apple. Eins.
Eins. 1 apple.
2. Zwei. Zwei means 2. 2 eyes. Zwei.
Zwei. 2 eyes.
3. Drei. Drei means 3. 3 little pigs. Drei.
Drei. Oink, oink.
4. Vier. Vier means 4. 4 legs on a dog. Vier.
Vier.
Woof. 5. Fünf. Fünf means 5. 5 fingers. Fünf.
Fünf. High five.
6. Sechs. Sechs means 6. 6 sides on a die. Sechs.
Sechs. Roll.
7. Sieben. Sieben means 7. 7 days in a week. Sieben.
Sieben. Monday to Sunday.
8. Acht. Acht means 8. 8 legs on a spider. Acht.
8.
Ik. 9. Neun. Next, 11 to 20. 11, elf. Elf means 11, like a little elf. Elf. 12, zwölf. Zwölf means 12. 12 months. 12. 13, dreizehn. Dreizehn means 13. Notice drei for 3 plus zehn for 10.
13.
14, vierzehn. Vierzehn means 14.
14.
15, fünfzehn. Fünfzehn means 15.
15.
16, sechzehn. Sechzehn means 16. Sechs becomes sech here.
16.
17, siebzehn. Siebzehn means 17. Sieben drops the n.
17.
18, achtzehn. Achtzehn means 18.
18.
19, neunzehn. Neunzehn means 19.
19.
20, zwanzig. Zwanzig means 20, like 2 tens.
20.
Now tens. 30, dreißig. Dreißig means 30. 40, vierzig. Vierzig means 40. 50, fünfzig. Fünfzig means 50. 60, sechzig. Sechzig means 60. 70, siebzig. Siebzig means 70. 80, achtzig. Achtzig means 80. 90, neunzig. Neunzig means 90. 100, hundert. Hundert means 100.
30. 40. Hundert.
For numbers like 21, 21. 21 means 21. Ein for one, plus und means and, plus 20. So it's backwards from English, 1 and 20.
21. That's funny.
Yes, let's do 21 to 30 quickly. 21, 21. 22, 22. 22 means 22. 23, 23, and so on up to 29, 29. 30, 30.
21. 22.
Same pattern for 31 to 40. 31, 31 means 31, up to 40.
31. 40.
Continue this way for 41 to 50, 41 to 50. 51 to 60, 51 to 60. 61 to 70, 61 to 70. 71 to 80, 71 to 80. 81 to 90, 81 to 90. 91 to 99, 91 to 99. 100, 100.
41. 2 and 40? No, 1 and 40.
Fun game, count from 1 to 100 while jumping rope or clapping. If you mess up, start over from that 10, like Eins, 2, up to 100.
1, 2.
You're a star. Star is Stern in German, but we'll learn that later. To review, let's play number hunt. I say a number in English, you say in German. 1,
1.
25.
25. 25 means 25.
Continue game for 10 to 15 minutes with random numbers. Then, last part, simple phrases. How many? Wie viele? Wie viele means how many. I have one apple. Ich habe einen Apfel. Ich habe means I have. Einen means O for masculine nouns like Apfel.
Wie viele? Ich habe 2 Äpfel.
Apfel is plural for apples. Perfect. Practice counting things around you in German.
Danke.
Bitte. End of our adventure today. Practice daily, and next time, more words. Now, on to numbers. In German, numbers are Zahlen. Zahlen means numbers. We'll learn from 1 to 100. Start with 1 to 10. Repeat after me, and we'll count imaginary apples.
Okay, apples sound fun.
1. Eins. Eins means one, like one apple. Eins.
Eins, 1 apple.
2. Zwei. Zwei means two. 2 eyes. Zwei.
2, 2 eyes.
3. Drei. Drei means 3. 3 little pigs. Drei.
3, oink oink.
4. Vier. Vier means 4. 4 legs on a dog. Vier.
4,
Woof. 5. Fünf. Fünf means 5. 5 fingers. Fünf.
5, high five.
6. Sechs. Sechs means 6. 6 sides on a die. Sechs.
6, roll.
7. Sieben. Sieben means 7. 7 days in a week. Sieben.
7, Monday to Sunday.
8. Acht. Acht means 8. 8 legs on a spider. Acht.
8,
Ik. 9. Neun. Neun means 9 lives for a cat. Neun.
9, meow again.
10. Zehn. Zehn means 10. 10 toes. Zehn.
10, wiggle toes.
Great. Now count 1 to 10 together. Eins, zwei, drei, vier, fünf, sechs, sieben, acht, neun, zehn. Let's hop while counting.